course, our products are made of the best quality stainless steel precision ground, but you need to maintain your unit. So I thought I'd shoot a little video about how the best way to maintain your stainless steel wire EDM kit for a long life. The first thing would be cleaning. So after each use, sometimes there's fragments of steel or things that get caught up on the unit. So you would take a soft bristle brush, and there's a dovetail unit across here. This is how the unit slides back and forth. So to maintain that accurate sliding, you would take a soft bristle brush with some cleaning fluid, and you would actually clean the dovetail of the unit. Also clean your clamping surfaces on all sides. That way your product you're trying to machine or wire EDM always sits nice and flat, and you get nice easy sliding on your rails. Another thing would be to maintain it would be lubrication. So on all the little screws and also on your dovetail unit, put light machining oil. That way all the components continue to slide and work for long lasting life. A third way would be to inspect actually your parts where they sit on your datums. Make sure they don't get damaged. On all these pieces, basically they have a nice piece of stainless steel that's flat where your clamping feet sit. So all those pieces, sometimes with taking steel pieces on and off, these pieces get damaged or dinged. If they get dinged, it'll actually burr up and your piece won't sit exactly flat anymore. You could risk damaging or scrapping parts. So just make sure that all your nice stainless steel pieces, as they come from us, are nice precision ground, and make sure they're stoned and nice and flat for long continued use.